Deals, we have a Bobcat E26 open ROPS unit. It's got 548.8 hours on it. It's got equipped with aux hydraulics, push blade. Can be plumbed for a thumb very easily. Gonna give you a quick walk around video, let you see this unit. It's in good operating shape. Got a Kubota diesel running it. It does have the pin-on style bucket. Again, aux hydraulics. You can run your hammer or your thumb. On this side, true and straight boom and stick. Good shape. All the cylinders are in good shape, not leaking anywhere. Blade's in good shape. There's no holes or anything through the blade. Again, good here on the boom swivel. E26. There's a little bit of a bruise right here on the body. No big deal. Tracks are in really good shape still. And like new condition. Give you a quick preview of the engine here. As you can see, there's no blow-by. Runs clean. As it should. Wire limbs usually right in the way. Makes it a bit of a challenge. There we go. Go ahead and show you the oil. Running super clean on the oil. The excess body on the outside is really in good shape. The body here is really in good shape. There is a little bit of a scuff here where something grabbed it and pulled it out. But for the most part, in really good shape. Again, tracks are in pretty good condition. Good little clean open ROPS unit. Again, clean cylinder here, no scuffs, no leaking. Go ahead and come in here. We'll show you the hours, 548 hours. With a maintenance clock and show anything that's been done. Go ahead and speed it up. It is a 2-speed machine. And it is working. As you can see right here. Okay. Unit's working well as far as that. It does have a pattern change, I believe, on this machine as well. This unit's available. It's located here in Springtown, Texas. If you're interested, please give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALZ. Please look out for the operations video.